Hi guys, so this is my analysis on GBpUSD. What am I looking at on GBpUSD? You can see if you watch my previous analysis on that, I'm still expecting GDP to come to push to the downside, and my first target is my negative 27% fib level. As we all know, if you've been watching my analysis, that my first target is always my negative 27% fib level. But if I see more momentum when it gets to that zone right here, then I will carry it on to my negative 61.8% fib level. So what are we seeing right now? You can see that we are currently on a bearish move right now on GBpUSD. So what are we expecting now? I'm expecting different possibilities and scenarios, right? My first possibility and scenario is we can see that because of this break of structure right here, this trend line, this candlestick broke this trend line right here. So I'm expecting two things. One thing is that we might just come down here a little bit to retest that zone and push to the upside around this level right here. Let me use my fib to see where my negative 27% ends. So around this area right here. And that's my first scenario, that we might get there before we now push to the downside for my overall target. That's a possibility. But another possibility I am also seeing right now is based on market structure. If I draw a zone around this level right here, we can see that that's a significant zone too around that area, because whenever we get to this zone right here, there is always rejection around that zone. So which shows me that there is a possibility that it might start rejecting off of my 23% fib level, and that is a continuation rejection. Whenever we get to my 23.6% fib level and rejected around that area, it means we're going to continue to move to the direction it came from. So which means we might start rejecting around this area to now push to the downside right there. So those are my both scenarios that I'm saying, but I will be a little bit more patient to see if we are going to continue to reject around this area right here, because like I said, there's a possibility for it to, this down move right there is just to fill in this break of structure and the imbalance around that area before we now zoom into the upside, which might be around my 38.2% fib level, and that will fill in the imbalance of that of the candlestick around that area, fill this imbalance around that area and continue to zoom to the downside. So both are my thoughts on GBpUSD, but like I said, overall I still see more of a bearish move. We just have to be a little more patient for entry. Either we are coming to this right here for entry, or we're gonna wait a little bit for it to push to the upside for entry. So that's my overall thoughts. I'm gonna draw just my come here. Oh wait, you're gonna see something like this, come here and push to the downside. That's my first scenario, and my second scenario is I might just continue to reject around the zone. So let me change the color of that. So that's my my thought on pound US dollar. So hope this is insightful, guys. If you find this insightful, don't forget to subscribe, comment and like, and I'll see you in my next analysis. Thank you for watching.